Hey, Mr. Churchill comes over here to say we're doing splendidly, but it's very cold out here in the snow, marching to and from the enemy. Oh, I say it's tough, I have had enough, can you stop the cavalry? I have had to fight almost every night down throughout the centuries. That is when I say, oh yes, yet again, can you stop cavalry? Very badly waits at home, nuclear full of fallout, so wish I could be dancing now in the arms of the girl I love. Wish I was at home for Christmas. Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Silfingers again with hopefully another interesting little song for you, a Christmassy flavoured one from Jona Lewie from way back when, and Stop the Cavalry. Okay, so we're in standard tuning, but with my single guitar arrangement we have a capo on the 2nd fret. Okay, this puts us into the same key as the original record, so it'll be a play along with the original record. Okay, so the introduction is like a trumpety bit right at the beginning. Do that 4 times, and that is, I'll give you real frets. Okay, so I'm playing the 9th real fret of the 3rd string and the 10th fret of the 2nd string. Okay, and it's like 4 times 3rd string, 2nd string. Okay, 3rd string, 2nd string, 3rd string, 2nd string, etc. 4 times. Okay. When I do that, I lift the pressure off when I've done the 2nd one. Take the pressure off so you kill it, right? And you get that sort of galloping sort of feel to it, yeah? And the 2nd phrase is the real 9th fret of the top E string to the 12th fret. So you go 9th fret, 12th fret, again, again, and then you end up on the 10th fret of the 2nd. So the whole intro is very slowly. Let's do it very slowly. Okay, then we go into this G chord, and it's like to try and get the right feel for the song, I've sort of done this with it. So it's a G chord, you can play it like that if you like. I tend to play it like that. You play the bottom E string, 3rd fret, strum, and then the 4th string, strum. Just repeat that sequence, alright? So when it comes out of the intro, you do that just the once, and then you do this chord, which is a D7. Right, so what I'm doing there is I'm playing, the 1st finger is on the 2nd string, 1st fret. My 3rd finger is the 2nd fret of the 3rd string from the capo, and my 2nd finger is playing the bottom E string on the 2nd fret. And this is a partial D7, okay? And what I'm doing with this one is I'm playing the bottom E string, strum, but I'm not playing the top E string, okay? It's down to the 2nd string only. And then the 4th string, strum. So you got G, and then the D7, and you do that backwards and forward twice. Okay, So very slowly, the whole intro. Right. And that's the intro. And then we go into the song itself, and it stays on G now for a 2 beat to a bar, and then a bar of D7. Just those 2 chords we've already played, yeah. Hey, Mr. Churchill. It's just like the intro. So one go round on each chord, yeah. So let's do it from the intro very slowly. Hey, Mr. Churchill comes over here to say we're doing splendidly, but it's very cold out here in the marching to and from the enemy. Oh, I say it's tough, I have had enough, can you play it? Now this last phrase is very quick, G to D7 and back again to the G. So it's, that last line is, oh, I say it's tough, I have had enough, can you stop the cavalry? So it's, can you stop the sorry, you don't do the, you've got just the G at the bottom E string, strum, can you stop the D7 chord, bottom E string, strum, but back to the G. Then we got the really tricky bit, okay? So all the way from the beginning to the end of the first verse, okay? Right, slowly. Hey, Mr. Churchill comes over here to say we're doing splendidly, but it's very cold out here in the snow, marching to and from the enemy. Oh, I say it's tough, I have had enough, can you play the cavalry? Okay, so far so good. Now we come to the really fiddly bit, that bit. All you really need is 2 fingers, it's a G, bottom E string 3rd fret, and 3rd fret on the 2nd string from the capo with your pinky. So you do it 3 times, and then you play that 1st fret of the 2nd string, the 1st finger, and then the open 2nd string. Right. Then we played a D7. So that's 3 strokes again on the D7 from 6 down to 2. Open 2nd string and then the 2nd on the 3rd. Okay, so this time all you need is the bottom E string on the 3rd fret, partial G again. So 3 strokes again, from 6 down, just the 3rd on the bottom E string, from 6 down to 2. What you do with this, lean this finger over a bit so it mutes the 5th string. The A string needs to be muted. So just lean it over a bit, right? So it mutes the 5th string, okay? Either that or put this 2nd finger on this 2nd on the to make it a G chord sort of. But if you can't do that, muting, put that 2nd finger on the 2nd on the 5th string. Okay? So here we go. put that second finger down on that second on the third. Open third. So it's second on the third to open third. Okay, so the first phrase. Okay. Then you do second on the third for this little rundown. Fourth fret of the fourth string, and then open fourth. And that's the whole first phrase, yeah? So well, now I've missed one out, but never mind, carry on. That's no, I'm telling you right, sorry. So it's that the first phrase again. That's the first phrase. The second phrase starts exactly the same. And you do that, so it's second on the third to open second and back to the second on the third. So instead of doing, you do instead, okay? So the first two phrases. Okay, and the last phrase starts the same. And then it finishes with so that's open second, third open, fourth on the fourth, open third, so second open, third open, fourth on the fourth, open third, so second on the third, open third, G. Back to that sort of bottom E string, fourth string strum. Okay, so it's a bit messy, but I'll try and do it very slowly for you. So this is all the way from the beginning of the instrumental bit. Okay, so. Okay, so let's go from the end of the first where it goes, you can start the cavalry. Then you go to another verse, shortened verse. This time it's I have had a fight almost every night down throughout the centuries. That is when I say, oh yes, yet again, Cavalry. It's exactly the same as the first verse, but shorter. It's just the last two lines of the verse, basically. The first verse, different words. I have had to fight almost every night down throughout the century. That is when I say, oh yes, yet again, can you start the cavalry? Two lots on G there, bum, G, bum, G, bum, G, bum, G. Then we go into like the chorusy bit. D7. Mary barely waits at home. So it's D7. It's the usual sequence. D7, bottom E string, strum, fourth string strum as usual. Mary Bradley waits at home in the nuclear fallout zone. Wish I could be dancing now in the arms of the girl I love. So it's just D7 to G all the time, okay? Mary Bradley waits at home in the nuclear fallout zone. Wish I could be dancing now in the arms of the girl I love. Now comes the doobie doobie doo bit, and then again that's all D7 and G, okay? Doobie doobie doo, doobie doobie doo, doo 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 doobie doobie doo, doobie doobie doo, doo doo doo. Just D7 and G, okay? And then the last line is an F. You can play an F bar chord, a simple F, or a four-fingered F. Basic F with the third finger up to the third fret on the fifth string from the capo, and pinky taking over on the third fret on the fourth. Four-fingered F, a full bar chord F if you want, or a simple F, whichever F you want to play. Okay, so on that last one it goes a doobie doobie doo, doobie doo doo, da da da, doobie doo doobie doo dum, doobie doobie doo, doobie doo doo doo, da da dum 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 dum. F. Wish I was at home for C Christmas. Right, now comes this little bit. Open second string, second on the third, two strokes on G, two strokes on C, two strokes on G. So it goes wish I was home for Christmas. Repeat, open second, second on the third, two strokes on G, two strokes on G, and back to G. This time you stay on the G, okay, so it goes wish I was home for Christmas. Then it just goes C, G to C, G to C. And that's what I play anyway. So G, C, G, C, G, D7, G. And then it goes off into another verse and another that bit fancy lead bit for you there. Another dum dum dummy bit. And another chorus, and it just finishes on that where it goes wish I was gone for Christmas. That's the way I finished it anyway. Okay. So there you have it, boys and girls, my single guitar version of Stop the Cavalry by Jona Lewie. Okay, I think it's all there. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.